What'd they say?
Well, they're
Pre-sales.
probably have projected sales if they...
Pre-sales, they sold out, yeah.
Rex. Come here, Rex.
No matter what the hell they put out there.
What's up, dog? What are you doing?
It's $700 a pop.
He looks like he belongs in the movie Caddyshack, doesn't he?
Let's see him hike the football. I want to see him hike the football.
What do you think, Rex? You ready to play football again?
Oh, you have them playing football?
Yeah, I saw him hike it. That's funny.
Did you hike?
Hike the ball, Rex. Come on.
Come on. Can you hike it? Hike it. Show Daddy how you hike it. All right. Come on now.
Hike the ball, Rex.
Play like a real football player, not like you're for the Jets.
Really?
Come on, hike it. Hike it. Hike it.
Hike it.
Show Daddy how you can hike it. Out of the way.
Somebody wants to get in the
Who's
action.
going to get it?
Kobe, you're blocking the whole football. You're too big.
Hike it, Rex.
Hike it, Rex.
Hike it.
Hike it.
You can hike it. Come on.
Go, go.
Down, ready, set. Down, ready, set. Hike. Hike. Hike the ball. Come on. Hike it.
Oops.
Hike it. Hike it.
Hike it. Hike it.
Between your legs. This is not a wildcat.